HVAC people!
Alright, we got a no cool. That ain't cool. Let's see if we can get some footage. I'm about to say, I haven't looked at it yet. I guarantee you it's a Lennox. Alright, they say the downstairs are not cooling correctly. You can see a bunch of water in that pan. So it's probably freezing up. Alright, so it is a little bit undercharged. See my pressures. Let's see what's subcooling. Subcooling is low. It's 2014 unit. Alright, so it's too tight for me to pinpoint it, but it's oil residue in the pan, and I'm getting an alert in there somewhere, but I'm not going to try to pinpoint. I'm just going to write it up. Got to replace the coil. Alright.